What is up guys, welcome to another video. It's CB Tech here. So today Apple is going to have their educational event, and most likely they're also going to announce iPhone SE 2 out there. So we are going to talk about this little beast in this video coming up right now. Let's go. Big A is expected to launch iPhone SE 2 today on 27th of March 2018. When they launched the iPhone SE 1, it gained a superb hype among the iPhone users who like the small screen sizes, and the legacy continues with the SE 2. In this video, we are going to have a look on the design aspects, on the leaks, rumors, and a concept video. So recently the back panels of iPhone SE 2 were leaked, in which we can clearly see only the back panel is changed a little bit, otherwise it is same as the iPhone 5 or the SE 1. Talking about the design, it is expected that it will look like an iPhone 10 with a notch on the top and a full bezel-less display. It is also rumored, and actually it is going to happen, the death of the headphone jack, as it is nowhere seen in the renders, in the pictures, in the concepts, and in the leaks. From all the leaks and rumors beside the design, internally it is expected that SE 2 is going to have the camera sensor of iPhone 8, which is pretty sensible, and it's a very good camera sensor, and by no means it is down or not to the quality of the market. Most probably the little beast iPhone SE 2 is going to come with an A11 Bionic chip. That clearly means that it is going to be little monster and a powerhouse from Apple. Probably these are the only changes which are going to be included internally for the phone, or else Apple is going to throw away 1 more GB of RAM in the SE 2. Here is a concept about the upcoming iPhone SE 2. Let's check it out. So guys, this was it, the iPhone SE 2 video covering all the concepts, leaks, and rumors about the upcoming iPhone SE 2. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.